Daddy's got you on the video camera. Yes, it does.
He likes this.
He does.
We're gonna sneeze?
Oh,
We're gonna
oh.
sneeze?
Yeah, I kind of saw that.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, you can let it out. A good sneeze is always good. Just not when you fart at the same time. And I call that sharding. Because then a little bit of poop comes out at the same time as you sneeze.
You giggle when you heard poop?
Yeah, are you downloading some poop right now? Yeah? Download poopy. Download the poop. Download the poop. Oh. Let's look at that clean nose. Oh, clean nose. Let's look at the hair. The hair is clean. Look at the eyes. The eyes are big. Yeah. Yeah. I'm Superman. Whee! Oh. Almost down. Hi.